Hello and welcome to my video. Today I will show you how to crochet this net bag. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel and let's begin. Today I will crochet with macrame yarn, but you can use thicker or thinner cotton yarn. We need matching crochet hook and 4 stitch markers. At the end, sewing needle and scissors. I start with the knot stitch and crochet chain stitches divisible by 7. It's 21, 28, 35, 42 and so forth. For this video I crochet only 21 chain stitches. 20 and 21. First row, skip the first stitch and 1 single crochet in every stitches. In the last stitch we crochet 3 single crochet, but 1, 2. Now this yarn come to the back and 3. Continue 1 single crochet in every stitches, but only through the 1 yarn. And in the last stitch here in the middle we crochet 3 single crochet and 3, and first round is finished. Second round we crochet in spiral rounds. Start in this first stitch and crochet 1 single crochet in every stitches to the here. In these 3 stitches we crochet 2 single crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Next 1 single crochet in every stitches to the here. And 2 single crochet in these 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. We can mark this side, not the stitches but only side, that we know is where is the begin of round. Round number 3, 1 single crochet in every stitches to the here. In these 5 stitches I will increase the stitches but only 3 times. It's 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. I have 3 times increase the stitches. Continue 1 single crochet to the here. On this side again 3 times increase the stitches, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2 single crochet. And now round 4, 1 single crochet in every stitches to the here. And now I will 4 times increase the stitches, but in these 7 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it's 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, again 2 single crochet, 1, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Continue 1 single crochet in every stitches, and on this side the same 4 times increase the stitches, 2, 1, 2 single crochet, 1, 2, 1 and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. And now we have again number of stitches divisible by 7. Now if you want, you can 3, 4 or 5 rounds, 1 single crochet in every stitches. For this video I crocheted only 2 rounds. I crocheted 2 rounds, and the last round I finished somewhere here on this side. And now we start with the net pattern. I crocheted 5 chain stitches and 5, skip 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and 3. Again 5 chain stitches, skip 4 stitches, and 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. This repeat to the end of round. Last time chain 5, skip 4 stitches, and 1 single crochet in the last 3 stitches, and 3. Second round. In this hole we crochet 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, 2 and 3, and again in the hole 5 single crochet, 3 single crochet. This repeat to the end of round. Last time 5 single crochet in the hole, 4 and 5, 1 single crochet in these 3 stitches, 3, and finish round with the slip stitch in the next stitch. Next round, 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, 5 chain stitches, 3, 4, 5, and from now on we skip always 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. These are the middle stitches on this wave. 1, 2 and 3, and again 5 chain stitches, skip 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5, and single crochet in the next 3 stitches. This repeat to the end of round. It was the last chain 5, skip 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5. This is the slip stitch, and 1 single crochet in the last 3 stitches. And next round, 5 single crochet in this hole, 3 single crochet here, 5 single crochet, 3, then finish round with the slip stitch in the last stitch, and again chain 5, skip 5 stitches, and this repeat so many rounds. How many do you need? And see you later. If the bag is big enough, then we crochet the top edge and the handles. This is my big bag with 42 stitches on the begin, and this is the top edge and the handles. It's two very simple. My last round was if I crocheted 5 single crochet in this hole, but we crocheted 1 round more, 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and 3, and now only 4 chain stitches, 3 and 4, skip 5 stitches, and 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and 3, and again 4 chain stitches, skip 5 stitches, and single crochet in the next 3 stitches. This repeat to the end of round. The next round, in the hole we crochet only 4 single crochet, 2, 3 and 4, and 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and 3, and this repeat to the end of round. And now looks like this. We have the same number of stitches like here in this last round, and now we crochet 2 or 3 rounds, 1 single crochet in every stitches, but the last round we finish it not in the middle but somewhere here. I crocheted 2 rounds and the last stitch is here, and now we mark the places for the handles. We divisible this edge on 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and important is that the number of stitches between these two markers and these two markers is the same. And now next round we crochet 1 single crochet in every stitches to this mark stitch, the last stitch, and now in this mark stitch we crochet not here above but 1 row below, then will be this place little bit stronger, and 1 single crochet. Now looks like this, and now we crochet chain stitches for the handles. For this bag I crocheted 90 chain stitches, but if you want you can more, or for this bag I crochet only 80 chain stitches. I crocheted 80 chain stitches, and now in the next mark stitch we crochet 1 single crochet, but not above but 1 row below, and continue 1 single crochet in every stitches, 2 to the next mark stitch, and here again one single crochet, one row below, 80 chain stitches, and here again one single crochet, one row below, and we crochet to the here. Now continue one single crochet in the corner and one single crochet in every chain stitches, to the here again one single crochet in every stitches, next handle, and we crochet to the here. The next round I crocheted on this bag on handles a little pattern. Then are the handles little bit thicker, and it's very simple. I crochet few stitches, 1 and 2, and here on handle I crochet one long single crochet, is one row below, pull yarn and through the loop, and one normal single crochet, and again one long single crochet and normal single crochet. Then looks like this, but if you want you can crochet only single crochet. I finished this round and I will crochet 3 or 4 rounds more, but from now on I crochet always in the corner every second round, 2 stitches together. It's in this corner, in this, and in these two. Then looks this corner little bit better, and on the back handle this pattern, if I crocheted long single crochet, I crochet normal single crochet, and here was normal single crochet, and now I crochet long single crochet, and normal and long. Then looks like this, and I repeat this pattern 3 or 4 rounds more. The last round I have finished with the slip stitch and sewing yarn ends. There are the back handles, looked like this, and the bag is finished. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.